Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make the automatic channel scan on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. Now here, let's go to installation, and first thing up top is the automatic channel scan. So now what you guys can do is click with the OK, and here choose the aerial, the cable, analog or satellite. So as you guys can see, I cannot do that because everything's basically required to be installed. So as you guys can see, now we're trying the cable and it's basically trying to scan for all the channels. As you guys can see, I'm only connected to the power. I don't have any cables running here. So I know that there's nothing to be detected, but this is how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.